Lauderdale-Hollywood International Airport, also referred to as FLL, has been one of the fastest-growing airports for the past several years and is the gateway for Broward County and the South Florida region. The airport's role in recent growth offer great opportunities and challenges that will need to be carefully addressed in the coming years. FLL's Master Plan update will help address these challenges with the necessary airport enhancements and will define the next chapter for the airport as it continues to elevate the customer experience while helping fulfill the air and multimodal transportation needs of Broward County and the South Florida region. The Master Plan establishes a roadmap for developing the airport's infrastructure to meet continuing growth between now and 2035 and beyond. The Master Plan's roadmap provides for incremental, demand-driven facility or infrastructure development and balances environmental, social, and economic impacts with the airport's physical and operational needs and the needs of the market and the community. The Master Plan forecasts reflects airport activity levels reaching 53 million annual passengers on or near 2035. Actual growth patterns at FLL have been outpacing the growth rates reflected by these forecasts, a trend anticipated to continue in the coming years. The FAA's independent passenger forecasts show FLL as having the highest passenger growth rate among the large hub airports through 2035. Generally, airport activity growth is accompanied by positive economic benefits for the region, such as increased tourism, job growth, and more diversification of businesses in the region. However, future airport activity growth is dependent on the availability of the infrastructure needed to support more passengers and aircraft operations. The current Airport Improvements and Renovations Program positions FLL to serve some of this forecast growth by expanding and modernizing all 4 terminals to provide a better customer experience through more food and shopping choices, seating, bathrooms, and other desired amenities. Additional capacity and airport improvements are needed in the near term to relieve roadway and curbside congestion, provide additional gates, improve operating capacity and efficiency, implement new technology, improve pedestrian safety, and replace aging assets. Several capital projects have already been identified to meet these needs until the final Master Plan update recommendations are adopted. These projects include signalized pedestrian crossings to improve safety and traffic flows, exit roadway improvements from the rental car facility and garages to improve traffic flows exiting the airport, new post-security terminal connectors between Terminals 1, 2, and 3, a new 5-gate remote concourse east of Terminal 4, and a new surface lot for public parking constructed on undeveloped land located east of Terminal 4 to replace parking temporarily lost during construction of the new Palm Garage. This undeveloped land is key to providing the flexibility over time to meet the changing needs of the airport. The Master Plan update evaluated 9 concepts for meeting the additional infrastructure needs of the airport over the next 20 years. After evaluating the 9 concepts against screening criteria that considered capacity benefits, operational efficiency and flexibility, incremental development potential, constructability, cost considerations, and future expandability, a preferred concept has been selected for further analysis. Concept 6, which represents the preferred concept, recommends and prioritizes several improvements to FLL's landside, including demolishing the Palm Garage, constructing a supplemental curb to increase terminal curb frontage, constructing a 7 to 9 level parking garage and a potential new airport hotel with meeting rooms and landside commercial center, constructing a landside automated people mover system, which would initially operate as an on-airport circulator with a connection to a new intermodal center located east of the airport. The intermodal center will provide easy connections between the airport and various modes of transit, rail, and ground transportation. Complementing these landside improvements, Concept 6 recommends expanding FLL's terminal and gate capacities by extending Terminal 4's Concourse G towards the west and building a new concourse along the north end of Terminal 3 that is parallel to Concourse G and the runways. The Crossfield taxiway would be relocated to the west to enable these terminal and gate expansions. The preferred concept would be incrementally implemented to ultimately provide 95 total aircraft gates, which will balance terminal capacity to the practical capacity of the airfield. The master plan recommendations provide a future vision for how passengers will use and experience traveling through FLL. A landside people mover would connect the intermodal center, airport rental car center, garages, and terminals. The existing Palm Garage site would be redeveloped into FLL's new iconic front door and airport commercial center with public parking. Ground transportation, hotel with meeting rooms, conference center, retail, and restaurants. Terminals 2, 3, and 4 would be further interconnected, expanded, and enhanced to provide contemporary check-in experiences and advanced technology installed to expedite security processes. Longer curbs would relieve congestion along terminal pickup and drop-off zones. Pedestrian bridges over the roadways would improve safety and convenience for passengers connecting between terminals, public parking garages, and landside people mover stations. The timing of various improvements would be aligned to demand, funding opportunities, and affordability. Concept 6 represents a sensible and incremental path forward for the next 20 years.